Hello, dear viewers. So we've been making videos on AI video generators for so long, and honestly, kind of bored now. It's time for some real fun, some entertainment, some excitement. But wait for it. Today, we're showing you something with no limits. Yep, you heard that right. No restrictions, no rules, just unlimited fun. Sounds crazy, right? Really? Well, get ready, because what we're about to show you will blow your mind. Excited? Let's go. All right, guys, let's talk about something next level. Introducing JuicyChat AI. Now, this isn't just another boring chatbot. No. This is something way more real. Here, you're not just chatting, you're building a connection, because JuicyChat AI gives you 100% real emotions, something you won't find in other AI tools. And the best part? No limits, no restrictions, just pure fun. Unlike other AI chatbots that block certain content here, everything goes. Whether it's text, images, or even voice chats, you can experience it all without any barriers. Sounds exciting, right? Well, hold on, because we're just getting started. So, how do you get started? Super simple. Just check the link in the description, and it'll take you straight to JuicyChat AI. Or, if you prefer, just type JuicyChat AI into Google, and you're good to go. But hey, if for some reason the website doesn't open, no worries. Just use a VPN, and boom, problem solved. So, once the website opens, you'll see a pop-up saying, confirm your age. Don't worry, it's simple. Just click on I am over 18 and hit continue. Next, you'll be asked what you're interested in. Select whatever catches your eye. After that, go ahead and click on the sign in option, and you can sign up using any method you prefer. Just pick whatever works best for you, and you're all set. Once you sign in, you'll get some awesome daily check-in rewards. Make sure to collect them. They're a great bonus. Now, here's an important tip. When you sign in, you'll notice that some options are marked. This is non-safe for work options, which means they might not be ideal for all situations. If you want to enjoy chatting without any limits and start your journey properly, then you can turn on. All right, so now when you open JuicyChat, you'll see loads of chatbots. But hold on, these aren't just ordinary bots. Think of them as full personalities. You'll find every type of character with full emotions, and they're all trendy characters. For example, there's a character called your sister. This character is fully trained, and you can chat with them using real emotions. It's like chatting with a person who really gets you. You'll find thousands of characters to choose from. So let's start by showing you how to build your own character and get the perfect chatbot that suits you. So, to build your character, it's super easy. On the left side of your screen, you'll see an option to create character. Just click on that, and you're ready to go. Next, you'll choose the character's image, and then fill in the details, like name, gender, age, and a short intro about them. Whatever you like, just select it. I could show you live how to do it, but that would make this video a bit longer. But trust me, it's all super simple. Just follow these steps, and you'll have your own custom character ready in no time. All right, now let's talk about the bonus you can collect daily. It's really simple. Just go to the bonus section, and you'll see a list of tasks waiting for you. All you need to do is complete these tasks, and you'll be able to collect your daily bonuses. It's a fun way to earn rewards every day. All right, now let's try chatting with a personality and see how this works. On the home page, you'll find different personalities. Just pick the one you like. For example, let's say we pick a police officer named Judy, who's your police partner. To start chatting, simply click on her and then click on Start Chat. You'll see that it's not just chatting. There's a whole scenario going on. You'll get messages about what's happening in the situation, and you can even create images for that scene. Plus, you can have a voice chat as well. Let's send a simple formal message first, and then we can ask for a picture or even listen to her voice reply. See how quickly the response comes and how much fun it is? You can do so much here. If you click on the voice option, you'll notice a little voice icon at the top. Simply click on it.
So much. I'm excited too. This partnership is sure to bring out the best in both of us.
If you don't like the voice or want to change it, simply click on the plus icon here, then click on the voice feature. You'll find different voices available. Choose the one you like.
Welcome to Juicy World.
And just a heads up, the diamond icon below the voice indicates that it's a premium voice. To use that, you'll need to get the premium subscription. But don't worry, there are also free voices available that work perfectly fine. If you want an image related to the conversation you're having, simply click on the image icon here. You'll get an image generated based on the chat you're having. How awesome is that feature? So, this is just one example of a personality I've shown you. But here, you won't have any limits. You can do everything. And I mean everything, yes, even the things you're thinking about right now. So, as you saw, you can chat with any personality here. And with JuicyChat, it feels like you're talking to a real person thanks to all the emotions. It's a fun way to enjoy JuicyChat. Now, if we talk about the plans, here's the deal. If you go for the yearly subscription, there's a 70% discount, which I think is an amazing offer. You can also choose from monthly plans and check out the features they provide with each plan. So, whichever plan suits you best, you can buy it and enjoy all the perks. To try JuicyChat and dive into unlimited fun, simply head over to the description below and start your exciting journey now. Enjoy chatting with real emotions and limitless possibilities. So, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. We'll catch you in the next video with another exciting tool. Stay tuned.